Hey there, welcome to the next episode in GPT Voicer. That's me down there on the right corner of your screen. I'm gonna go off video, but yes, we are back with GPT Voicer, and today I'm gonna show you two different tools. I am currently in the video generator section, but first let's go to the speech converter new box, and I'm gonna show you how to create a voiceover. Okay, let's see now. Okay, I think it's taking a little time because I've got too many tabs open on my computer. Okay, there we go. So I've got text. I've got some text. Okay, it's about AI image generator software. Okay, so it's just a text I got from GPT. You can get it from GPT Writer or writing tools. We'll see that in another video. For now, in this video, we're going to use a female voice. Let's see which one. Let's try Monica.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets
let's go with
images, texts, and more.
Let's try a different thing. Output volume, let's go with medium. Rate of speech is fine. Medium, let's go with medium. Let's go with default. Stick to default. I think that's the better option. Okay, remember you can have up to 10,000 characters, but I've just got 1,375 characters, so this is going to be about a minute long maybe. Let's see. Let's generate this voiceover. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, so we got that. Generate works. A few seconds and it should be done, and then we go into video generator and I'll show you how you can upload your own photos into video generator and create it. Okay, so listen to it.
As the world becomes increasingly digital,
1 minute 31 seconds. Okay, so let's go into video generator, create new video, and this time we're going to click on upload. Okay, we're going to upload files from a computer. Okay, click on that. Okay, I've got 12 files here. Let's give it a title. All those files I've used Midjourney to create them. AI image generator article. Okay, let's go with full HD and 12, right? 1 minute 31 seconds. So what does it come to? 1 minute 31 seconds is about 90 seconds, and we got 12. So about 7, 8, let's go with 8 seconds. You can choose audio, AI image generator, upload, and process. Alright, while it's processing, let me remind you, I have a free, an exclusive offer for you. Just go to the link in the description where it says exclusive offer, and you can get GPT Voicer for a superb deal. Well, you won't find that deal anywhere else, but just go down there and check it out. And if you like it, take it. Alright, 1 minute 31 seconds. It's taking a little longer. So the longer your voiceovers, or the more the images you have, the longer it takes. But again, it should not take too long. So let me just pause and get back to you once it is done. Alright, I think I know what took GPT Voicer that long. I used PNG images, which are about 1.2 to 2 MB in size each, so that took a long time. If you're using JPEG images, that should be a lot faster. But our video is ready. Let's click on it and look at it.
As the world becomes increasingly digital, so too does the field of art. With the rise of AI image software tools, digital artists now have access to a wide range of powerful tools and techniques that were once the domain of traditional artists.
Alright, so you see our video is ready, looks good, and if you want to look at it on full screen, you can do that as well. All you need to do is download this video and upload it to your YouTube channel or your blog or your Facebook, social media, Instagram, wherever you want. Okay, in the next video, we will look at how to create the square format videos, which are very good if you're creating Instagram posts or Facebook posts as well. So that's it for this video, GPT Voicer tutorial. You learn how to create a voiceover, and also you learn how to create a video with images from your own computer. Well, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to go down to the link in the description below and get a copy of GPT Voicer for yourself. I'll see you in another one.